I'm Andrew Phillips. Welcome to my channel. Today we're actually headed down here to the Baltimore Comic-Con in downtown Baltimore to check out some cool comic book stuff and some artists. So let's go ahead and head in and have some fun.
Oh, cool, we'll do it.
Where to now? Welcome to my house, everybody. We're back here after the Comic-Con. It's been about a month or so since it passed. You can see we have the tree up. We're getting ready for Christmas now. The Comic-Con was around the end of October. But the reason that I'm having this as the end of this video is we have this box here. This is a top secret mystery box that I picked up at one of the booths there at the Comic-Con, and got this for $100. They claim it's got $500 to $700 worth of merchandise in it, so that's going to be some really, really cool stuff to do. The booth that we were at was actually right across from the Unusual Company booth, which is where we got the autographs from Noah Hathaway, who was in the Neverending Story. If you want to see the overview of the Unusual Company store, which is in Ellicott City, Maryland, you can check that out via the link above. I'll also have it down in the description. So if you're ever in the Maryland area, the Baltimore area, definitely check that store out. They've got some really high-end, awesome, rare collectibles, autographs, all kind of cool stuff. So anyway, we have this box here that we picked up there at the Comic-Con. We're going to be doing the unboxing of this on Christmas Day. So please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss that video when I post it. We're going to be filming it live as we open this up. I'm really excited to see what's in this. I have a friend of mine who actually got a couple of these and he opened them and he got some really cool stuff. So Star Wars stuff, Back to the Future, things like that are in these. So that'll be exciting. So please like and subscribe so you don't miss that unboxing. It's going to be a fun time. Thank you for watching this video, for subscribing and supporting this channel. I hope that the Baltimore Comic-Con video was cool for you. If you haven't had a chance to ever make it to a Comic-Con, I'd highly recommend it. It was some fun stuff. Awesome time to meet some of the DC and Marvel artists, other artists as well. Like I said, Noah Hathaway was there. He's an actor who's done several movies in Hollywood. So just a cool time to meet some cool artists. So please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.